to Stiffler Manufacturing. This is your host, Robert. Heading off towards the shop, slides milled out, and go see what else we need to get done for the day. Hey, Don J, FE Ordnance. What's going on, guys? I'm heading off towards the shop. We haven't even hit 100 degrees today. Nice 94. Slow down. Nope, just on the right side. All right. Oh, I'm gonna go talk about the 26 today, get a few orders out, get some slides milled. See if hopefully we can range test the 26 this weekend. Maybe, we'll see. Gotta see where we're at. Maybe next week. I'm getting hopeful. Oh, how'd the range go, FE Ordnance? Loving the sky. Let's change it to all. There we go. Hoping for a little more rain. Things down a bit. I think for our next range trip we might be going to an official outdoor range so we can set up a tripod. I took a few clips while I was at the range and I don't know, just the angle wasn't good enough. We couldn't set up in there. Got to show it running though. Oh, okay. Let us know, and if you have an idea on any companies to switch to, we might just end up switching to Glock OEM. I don't know. The issue for us is, well, it hasn't been a problem for us, but other people seem to keep coming across. No, don't get me wrong. We know SCT is not exactly match grade, but we haven't come across some of the problems that other people are talking about. So if we can improve the parts kit without breaking the bank for the completes, that'd be ideal. Because we know the slide's good to go, but some people are definitely having some problems with the parts kits. Which is frustrating on our end because we have not experienced some of these problems. A pre-order, I mean, technically all slides are pre-order, but probably not. We need to fulfill an order of like 50 or 100, and then everything else is into regular production. Because we've already got someone who's actually ordered some, but we don't have the website set up for it. Basically, once the slides are ready, they'll be set up to pre-order, I suppose. More like made to order, but we can't change the icon on the website. We've tried so many times, so we're stuck with the word pre-order. Oh, thank you. I mean, I know, but it's nice to get some affirmation once in a while. And then we've got people out there that are like, hey, I found an issue with the parts kit. I'm like, oh, well, the parts kit's from SCT. It's not something we make. We can always replace a part for you if you have a problem with it. And then other people go out there on the total opposite end. It's got to be the slide. No, it's not. We purposely have OEM products on the production line to make sure we're within spec. That would be good. That would definitely be helpful. And sometimes I wonder if it's just a matter of what their build is, because I never always get a complete answer on what builds are. For example, I had one guy, I was like, hey man, can you send me photos of this specific thing? And he sends me a shaky video. And I'm like, no, a still photo. And then he sends me another shaky video. So people just don't follow instructions very well. And it is definitely frustrating. Really? Best fit on a Gen 2 frame, huh? That's interesting. We don't even have a Gen 2 frame to test it on. That's very interesting. Oh, gonna be a fun little trip. Traveling on the highway. Well, you're braking, so I don't want to be near you. I want to hit the range up again. You know, funny enough, the local range that we go to, it's like 30 bucks a trip, plus ammo and other expenses. But if we go to the range that's a little further out, it's like 18 bucks a trip. And we might start doing that, and they are better set up to do videos and stuff where we can record. So we might start going with them. The other option is to go out to the desert, but the downside to that is if we don't get up at 4 or 5 in the morning, all the spots out there that are good to shoot are taken. We'll probably end up going to this one outdoor range that's all set up with tables, and they've got range lanes. Downside to that particular one is you can't go reset targets or anything whenever you want. You got to wait for everybody to be done shooting and call a cold firing line. Oh yeah, they'll fit on all of them. Just change out the back plate, good to go. I've been meaning to take my Gen 5 19 and actually throw one of our slides on it for a few videos. Let's see. Drone footage to slow on from top to right. That lets you see what's at. Okay, yeah. I should really get a camera for it or something rather than just my phone, but it's useful. Oh, I missed the September gun show, too. That's disappointing. Definitely have footage of that. Oh, yeah, man, I'm so excited to see it. Oh, I got to reach out to one dude. He's all mad about the slide, and he sent it back to us for a troubleshoot. We troubleshooted it, couldn't find a problem, tried it on 3 or 4 different kinds of ammo, 3 different frames, And then he goes and changes out the parts kit, and he's like, well, they didn't troubleshoot it. And I'm like, we did. We didn't find anything wrong on our end, so I don't know what's up with your build, man. But I don't know. I mean, I want honest reviews. If there is a problem, I want people to tell me about it. But his problem, I can't seem to figure out what his problem exactly was, because it works for us, but it didn't work for him. I don't know. Oh, I haven't seen anyone like report it to us directly, but I've seen videos of it where people have been using binaries and FRTs. And it runs. There have been quite a few with the Viper on it. And I wonder if they're going with a lighter spring on the Viper, because the Viper is the lightest one we have with the 3 windows. Hey, Kelvin Hanna, how's it going? HGW Hooper Gunworks, they have fine slides. A lot of options, they've been around for a while. Might even have one of theirs somewhere. Yep, they're definitely a name in the industry. Why the hell does this guy keep flashing his high beams at me? I don't see any cops. Yeah, Hooper Gunworks is fine. They're a name in the industry, just like Zev, Zafiri, Grey Ghost. They've been around a while. I know a lot of people like them. I also know some people talk crap about them, but that's everybody. I mean, we got people who talk crap about us too, so you're never going to make everybody happy. When people are having issues on non-standard Glock slides, let you know. If they are cheap, I'll grab some. LFA from Hooper Gun. I got that LFA from Hooper Gunworks. That's interesting. You know, I think we tried to sell the Hooper once. I don't think they ever responded to us. Oh no, we tried to sell them twice. Right. Man, that was back in 2023. I'd forgotten about that. Huh, so I guess LFA is supplying them with slides. That's interesting. LFA primarily uses 416, I do believe. How did we get to machine slides? Did you find blueprints? A lot of it was measuring, and we did get a little bit of assistance with a programmer way back when. Now we do a lot of it ourselves. And so pretty much we did a lot of measuring on like an actual Glock OEM, and then we just kind of made the designs that we liked. Oh, what the fuck, guys? Way to go low. The interstate is go fast land, people. Quick question, would I be able to fix nitride with black oxide because I get a blame from them? And I sanded it out, and I sanded the nitride off. You'd have to sand it and recoat it. Then with nitride, and someone feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, because we don't work with black nitride. I think you need a polished finish for it. I could be wrong. It's not like Cerakote where you have to sand it because it needs a rough surface to bond to, I don't believe. I could be wrong. We don't really work with nitride, so. Blem. Hey, no worries, FIREARMS, no worries. The comments are always appreciated, so are the questions. Plus, I'm driving, so I'm not getting to every comment. Hey, Desert Armory, what's going on, man? Just driving through Arizona. I'm heading towards the shop. Gonna go get some work done today, talk to everybody, see where we're at on some things, what I can give you guys some updates on. Temp right now is 96 at 1 p.m. And it's beautiful because we have not hit 100. God damn. 56 is a smidge cold, but at least we can layer up. It'll be 60s in a month or two. That still shocks people to this day. It does get cold in Arizona. Not as cold as back east or up north, but it does get cold. And every now and then we'll actually get some snow. But for like 3 months, sometimes 4, it gets pretty damn cold. Oh, that you want to Cerakote them, Kelvin? Yeah, if you sand it, you can Cerakote it. Swing low, sweet chariot. Yeah, but it sucks I missed the September gun show. I'm gonna try and get the next. There's another one in October or November. All I want to do is I'm gonna dress up in some Stiffler merch and walk around, hand out business cards and talk to people, and then go check out, the gun show. I've been meaning to do it for a while now, and I never got around to it. Oh, so yeah, no, that's way too cold. I used to be up in New York for a while. I was in Georgia in winter, and just nope, ain't dealing with that. I don't want to shovel snow. I don't want to deal with frozen water, or a frozen car for that matter. I just have to deal with, almost getting cooked alive every summer when it hits like 117. And as long as you hydrate, and you keep your vehicle's oil changed and your AC good, you'll be fine. But the sun eats everything, so if you've got like soft top cars, like I was just driving by this convertible Mustang right there, the sun is going to eat that soft top. It has to warm up to snow. Oh, you're that kind of cold. Oh, damn. Yep, keep your cooling system up to par. Make sure your water pump's good. Make sure your radiator's good. Check your coolant levels semi-regularly. Just a lot of people forget to do that. And every now, that's why you see cars broken down on the road in the middle of summer. Where they really find out where it hurts, because if your vehicle's moving, you're fine. It's when they get in stop and go traffic, especially in places like Phoenix, that all of a sudden they found out their car has a problem. Oh, fuck that. No, I'm good. I'm good with this wide open nothingness, blue skies, the sun that tries to kill us 3 to 4 months out of the year. I'm good. These couple of months are going to be downright pleasant, and then it's going to drop. We'll get 30s, 40s, 50s. Hey, Desert Armory, I'm thinking about doing some range stuff at Pima Pistol Club. You ever been there? I used to go there a while back. They used to have this range safety that kind of pissed us all off, so we stopped going there so much, and that's when we started hitting the desert pretty often. But it's been a while, and it's nice to have a range that's already set up. So we might do theirs from time to time. It's just waking up at 5 a.m. really sucks ass. So going out to the desert, Oh, not that. I've been out to Sierra Vista. I've never been to that club. We have one here called Pima Pistol Club. I might head off to that. We go to Zona Tactical from time to time here in Tucson. I haven't been to a C2 in ages. Little bit of a backup here. Oh, and some good news. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens next month. But we might have found a local gun shop that wants to carry our slides. So we'll know by about Veterans Day for sure. And we've been working on that. We got the hub. They're in Tucson, Mesa, and Lakeside. And we got Serious Arms up in Prescott. They've all carried some of our slides. The hub's still actually, for any locals that are still looking for the SM19 flash, the hub has them. They have some of the last flashes we ever made. So for those of you that are local that want one, they have it. Yellow light means go. All right, I'm gonna be heading off to the shop, guys. I might do a live in the shop. We'll see if the connection lets me, or if nobody's too busy. But yep, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you for joining me for this driving live. And yeah, for some of you, yeah, check out the website. We're doing 15 to 20% off on our strip slides this month. And make sure you pop over to Desert Armory and FE Ordnance and check their channels out too. So thanks everybody for stopping by. Thank you for the likes, and if I got any new subs, thank you for that too. And as always, stay tuned every day.